this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an iPhone calendar not syncing other devices. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix an iPhone 14 or 15, 16, any iPhone that you have not syncing with an iPad or a Mac, ensure that all devices are logged into the same Apple account. So simply head into your settings, and as you can see, I can check my account right over here. Make sure that you are logged in with the same one as well. On your Mac, you can simply go ahead and open the calendar, click on calendar in the top menu bar and select the settings and account, and when you do have the same thing, it is going to go ahead and work. The other thing you can try to do is simply head into your apps right over here, head into your calendar, and once you're in your calendar, click on sync and make sure that you can simply click on all events. Sometimes what happens is it only syncs events which are 2 weeks ago, 1 month, 3 or 6 months ago. So you can simply go ahead and change that, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.